Hey everybody, welcome to the Wolf Pit. Today we're going to make chili cheese dog pizza. Everyone likes a good chili cheese dog, and everyone likes a good pizza. So why not put them together? So let's get started. Now I could sit here and tell you that I made this pizza dough, but I did not. This is a 1-pound ball of Brooklyn style pizza dough that I get in my frozen food section of my grocery store that I've stretched out into a greased pan. And now I'm going to layer it with my homemade hot dog chili, which you've seen me make before, and I'll post a link to that video at the end of this video. Now a very generous layer of cheddar jack cheese, grilled slices of all beef hot dogs, and I can't have a hot dog or pizza without onion on it. Now into a preheated 450 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown and bubbly. I know it's going to be hard, but wait 10 minutes before slicing, otherwise everything's going to fall apart. Now I have my bib on, and it's time to take a bite. Now I know you guys are not going to believe this, but I got to tell you anyway. It tastes like the combination of a chili cheese dog and pizza. Go figure. The next time your kids want hot dogs and pizza, give them this instead. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you give this a try, and we'll see you next time.